Let's talk about Python scripts and Python program now. These two terms are often used interchangeably, but there is a subtle difference. Python scripts are short, simple, quick to write, easy to create and deploy, but Python programs are complicated. You can think of Python programs as group of Python scripts or modules which are first compiled and then executed. These two terms have different use cases. We use Python script for automating simpler tasks. For example, if there is a website from which you want to scrape data on weekly basis, you can use a Python script, which can essentially be a Jupyter file with some block of codes. You can also use Python script to pull the data from your database and then clean it or validate it. So simpler tasks. But Python programs are used to solve larger problems. For example, complicated web apps have Python programs running on their backend. Since in this course we are learning Python from basic, so we will use the term Python script throughout the course.